Hello there, hope so you will be fine and doing great. In this video I am going to explain how to repair the broken probe of a multimeter. Accidentally or unintentionally you get detached of your positive or negative probe from your multimeter's probe, and you will be unable to use correctly to the multimeter. For that purpose I am here to demonstrate how to solder this wire without having soldering wire. How will I solder that? These are the components required. If you don't have, you can use your mouth by Asian method. That's so simple. You can just put into mouth and teeth squeezing, and that's why to unshield this wire by teeth squeezing as well. And you don't have soldering wire, and you will repair this one in a very simple way by only having soldering iron this time. The purpose of not having soldering wire is due to the fact that already this probe has soldering inside that due to this attaching one. That's why I'm not using soldering wire here. Now I will show you how to detach this pin and solder this technically. Okay, I'm using this nose plier with flat surface, and this pin detaching will be done here. So this is, see here, it has soldering upon its surface. Now the second step is important. In this step you have to put this wire correctly into this, not in this direction, in the direction where the pin was in original direction. Okay, just insert into this one and get it from upper side and make it to back, so that after soldering it will be okay. Now solder it here. You have to unshield this so that we have conductive path wire or copper wire from here. For shielding purpose I have this cutter. Just put into a specific length that you are required, press it and unshield this. Okay, in this way the wire is unshielded. Just squeeze it, make it curl so that it will get harder. Just turn it around to make its thickness greater. Okay, now you have to solder this one, and you have this pin at this point. Now my solder is already in heat up condition, the switch is on condition. Just I have to solder this up. Just put it into here in circular form, in the length you had already there. Okay, now it seems to be okay. Just place into a solid surface. Okay, now you have done with this. You can see here. Otherwise, if you have soldering wire, that's good way to do that. Just place this one at solder wire and just solder it out. Okay, now you can see clearly the soldering is done on that pin. Okay, you can see here soldering is done on this one pin. You can stretch it there, and you have now done with the right direction of your pin. Now your pin is repaired. All right, now how we have to check this one pin, either this pin is in the right direction or not. Just make your multimeter at continuity, insert this in common, and this at voltage ohm probe, and just switch them. Okay, that's all about this, and you can check